Hello, welcome to Floristry Market. My name is Greg and...
I'm Kerrie.
Kerrie, hello.
Hi.
It sounds like you were going to say, I'm Kerrie and something.
I know, it did, didn't it?
Yeah.
I wasn't.
Okay, well, good to know. Anyway, welcome back yet again.
Yes, I know. You keep on asking me back, so thank you so much.
I don't know why.
I must be doing a good job.
So anyway, Kerrie, once again today you are here as Smithers Oasis, or representing Smithers Oasis.
I am.
And you'll be using some of the Oasis floral foam product today.
Yes, absolutely. And these are my favourite products. So hatboxes are my thing. I just absolutely love them. So I'm going to show you two types of hatboxes. One of them traditional and one of them a little bit more luxurious.
Luxurious. Okay. Well, this traditional one looks epic.
Thank you. I haven't finished it yet, so I was just about to finish it off. But this is what I would do for everyday customers, that they like something in the hat box. Quite traditional in terms of the design, although I've put a bit more of a country vibe to it, so as you could probably see. But yes, I've put Oasis floral foam. I've used one block, cut it in half, and I've used these pin holders to put it together, so it doesn't move in there. But I'm just going to finish off, just do a couple of finishing touches. Would you like to put some in?
No, not
Greg? Okay. You can
I'm getting the impression you like the other two shows that you've done.
Yes.
I can put something in. It's absolutely fine. Just tell me where to do it.
There we go. You can put some of this daisy in. Just put it in there. I like you to get involved with me.
I'd like to get involved. But yeah, you seem to like the country style.
I do.
Flowers.
Yes, I do love the country flowers. I do love the country style. I just like the way it's not so uniform.
Exactly.
You know, it has
a bit
more, a bit wild, a bit free.
Do you think it represents your personality?
I was just going to say, maybe it does. My mum would probably say yes, for sure. I was a bit of a handful.
Let's go deep. What's the wildest thing you've ever done?
Oh,
can we say?
No.
Okay.
Let me have a think of what I can say, and then I'll get back to you.
I don't know if this is good representation for Smithers Oasis. Sorry, guys.
I know.
Sorry.
They might give me the sack.
Sorry. Yeah. Okay.
And if my mum's watching, she might. She might not be very happy with me.
Sorry, Mum. Tell me off camera.
I will. So I'm just finishing off with some lovely pink bouvardia, just to give it that little bit of country, because the luxury one won't be countrified.
Oh, okay.
No, we're going to do that more luxurious, big blooms in there. So
speaking of country, I've got to tell you this.
Yes.
I just told Anthony this. I was in Waitrose in Leamington a couple of weeks ago. Do you know who I bumped into? I didn't actually bump into him. Country?
Well, the only person that springs to mind would be Kenny Rogers.
I don't know country music.
Oh.
Country, garden.
Oh, was it Alan Titchmarsh?
Yes.
Oh, okay. Oh, yeah,
Kenny
of course
Rogers.
It would.
Oh, my word, I did not see that coming. Okay.
I thought you meant country music.
No, well, I should have.
I'm so sorry. I should have known. Yeah.
Yeah. Alan Titchmarsh.
Oh, and did you speak to him?
I did not know.
I've never met him.
Well, neither have I. I just walked past him.
Oh, you should have said hi.
He was with his. It looked like he was with his children, and they were lecturing him on something. He was just like.
Yeah, maybe not interrupt that then. Yeah. So I've completed this. I'm going to give it a spray with Floral Life finishing touch.
Okay.
This is a great product. It locks in the moisture, keeps the flowers hydrated. I use it all the time on all of my products that are especially going out the door.
Okay.
So yes, it's a fantastic product to use. Okay, so now we're going to move on to the luxury. Can you see? I know. When I deliver them to my customers, I have to say to them it's really heavy. So you want me to bring it in for them. So this one's going to be slightly different. Mm-hmm. This is called a Hamilton hatbox. This one is a symphony hatbox. Mm-hmm. So they've got these come in different colours, different ranges. Also, these come in different colours as well. So the Hamilton. We're going to put a little hat on the hat box, Greg, just like this. We're going to sit it on. So to do this, there's different ways of doing it. You can use, I use a piece of Oasis floral foam, dry piece, so I don't soak it because otherwise it would fall to pieces on the actual box and ruin it. So I'm going to just cut this piece of Oasis floral foam into half, and then I'm going to use these pin holders with some Oasis Fix.
I'm intrigued.
I know, so am I.
So am I. I've done this before.
So we're going to, let's put that out of the way. So I'm just going to pop this down in here, like so. And then I'm going to put a little bit of Oasis Fix on each one. Now, you can glue this with Oasis Floral adhesive glue.
Yep.
I'm not going to do that because I'm not very good with glue in terms of I get it everywhere. Okay. So I thought, but if this does go to pot, then I'll have to get you to do that. Okay.
All right, yeah.
So, so I always see where so you always got to join.
Yep.
So what I do is I always put that to the back. Okay. So that is the back. So we're going to put this piece here like that.
Yep. I'm
just going to turn this round. Then we've got some of these sticks here.
I'm so intrigued as to how this is going to become.
I know.
This is very exciting.
It is exciting, isn't it? I can't even pick these up. Look. So I'm just going to cut these off. And then we're going to just place the sticks into the foam. So this is dry. This part on here is dry. So I'm going to place this into the foam, okay, at an angle. Just like that, okay? So, and now we're going to build up our luxury hat box, okay?
So when would people use these hat boxes? What sort of things are they for?
Every occasion. So maybe the baby pink one would be for a baby girl celebration. They also come in a light blue, so that maybe for a baby boy. Anniversaries, the red ones I use for Valentine's Day, so I do really luxury, all red roses in there.
So it can be any event that you'd actually give flowers for. This is just a different way of presenting them.
Absolutely. So any gift, birthday, anniversary. So they're so versatile, for sure. So I'm going to use these gorgeous Sweet Avalanche roses. I'm just going to pick off the ends of these. So we're going to do a lot of luxury flowers in here. I'm just going to put these up an angle. So whereas before with the Symphony hat box, I greened it with, you can see the foliage in there. This one I'm not going to put so much green in. I'm going to do it more of a massed design.
What does that mean?
It means that there's no, little fluffies around. So it's more...
No fluffies?
Yeah. So it's more massed. So it's more together, if you see what I mean. And there you are.
That is stunning. That is absolutely stunning.
Thank you.
And it's one of those things that I couldn't put a price on that because it just looks so like, what would you charge for that?
Well, it would have to be £100.
Okay.
Yeah. Depending on time of year and cost of roses, it could be a little bit more. So around Valentine's Day, for instance, it would be a lot more.
So that's really because the cost of the flowers is just so much higher.
Yes.
And what about this one? What would you charge for this one?
Well, I would charge £50 for that one.
Yeah.
So the three sizes I usually generally go is small 40, medium 50, and then large 60. So.
Of this type?
For that type, yes, for sure.
And you could go bigger with that, or is that about as big as you'd go with that?
I mean, this is how I would. This is the largest hat box in the Hamilton. Yes, of course, you could go bigger. I mean, you could do a different design. You could do a front facing, so you could definitely go bigger without like the hat box part on it. You could even probably come out even more so. So depending on, I'm sure there's lots of different ways that you could do that.
It looks absolutely stunning. Really, really. You are quite good.
Thank you.
That's all right.
Oh, that's good. I won't quit the day job just yet then.
Okay, no, don't. Please do come back on. So,
thank you.
That'd be great. Anyway, Kerrie, thank you so much.
My pleasure.
For that. And I hope everybody enjoyed that. If you have, give us a subscribe on YouTube and the little bell icon, and then you'll be told every time we upload a new show. Check us out on Facebook, check us out on Instagram, check us out on TikTok too. We'll put those on the screen. You might want to check Kerrie out as well. So anyway, thanks once again. Oh, we didn't ask a question.
Do you know, I was waiting because I know what I'm going to ask.
Okay, ask the question.
So I'm going to ask, which do you prefer? The Hamilton hat box or the Symphony hat box?
That's a nice simple one. Yeah. Place your votes now in the comments down below. Yeah. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. My pleasure.
For myself and Kerrie, see you next time. Bye.
Bye.